Indira Shah here. Today I'll be making Surti Patti Masala. Surti means from Surat. Okay. For that we need chana dal. See, I've taken about 1 cup of chana dal. I have soaked this chana dal for about 1 hour and then I drained out the water. Then I pressure cooked it for just 1 whistle. After pressure cooking for 1 whistle, I drained the water again. So this is, see, it should be cooked like this. Look, if you cut it with your nail, it should easily cut. But it should not become powder. Okay? Now, I'll be mixing onion. Okay? Finely cut onion. And this is washed and finely cut coriander leaves. This is washed and finely cut pudina leaves, mint leaves. This is finely cut green chilies. This is paste of ginger and green chili. Okay? And then garam masala, a little garam masala. And this is dry mango powder. We call it as amchur powder. Okay? If you have anardana, you can add anardana also. And then till, white till. Yeah. I have added salt in chana dal. Okay, so while adding salt, be careful. So this is the stuffing for the patti samosa. So mix it and keep it for about 20 minutes. So I'll come back to you after 20 minutes. I'll just show you how to make patti. Okay? Now this is the dough for patti. Okay? So I have taken maida. You can also take wheat flour. For maida, I have taken 1 cup of maida. I have added 2 to 3 spoons of ghee, salt and ajwain. Okay? And make a dough like this. And rest the dough for about half an hour to 1 hour. Okay? Once the dough is ready for kneading, make an equal ball like this. Okay? 3 balls you can make and make a roti like this. Small rotis. Here. This is like the double roti that I make. Here. I'll show you. You can see me kneading. Here. Now, on this, add ghee. Then sprinkle maida. Okay. Now again, add 1 more roti and on the third one, again press it. You can press it. Now knead it. Okay? Knead a big roti. Because the roti should be thin, not fat, not thick. Then you will not have crispy samosas. You can make this patti and then refrigerate it for 6 months, in fact. And then whenever you want samosa, you can make it. Here. Now put it on the hot tawa. It should not become very kadak, okay? Very stiff. Just cook for a few seconds. See, you can see the layer here, 1, 2, 3. It will be easy to remove. This is how we make patti, okay? Now flip it. Now put off the stove. Wait for this roti to cool, but not cool completely. When it is little hot, you should remove it. I'll just show you. Here, see, this is how you remove the roti. See, it's quite thin. Here. Are you able to see how thin it is? Now allow it to cool completely. Okay? Now cut them into equal strips. Now here see, 2 patties are ready. Okay, keep the patties. Now I'll show you another. Here, equal patties. See how transparent they are. You need not waste this. These can be fried again. Here, this is another patti. Now, see, this is the patti. Now sides should be neat. So cut the sides. Okay. Now take your left corner. Here, left corner. Fold it like this. Okay. Then fold it this way. Here. And this shouldn't be broad. Okay. So now here you put the filling. The filling should not be too much, okay? Otherwise there are chances of the samosas bursting. Here. Then here. Cover this like this. Cover like this. And then cover this. To cover this, you should make a gum paste of maida and water. Okay. Fold it, and here also fold it properly. And here, otherwise the oil will get into the samosa. Yeah. Now 2 samosas are over. I'll show you one more. Okay. Let me make this proper. The patties. Okay. So the surti samosas will be very small in size. Here. like this, then make like this, and here it should be sharp. Okay, this part should be sharp, it shouldn't open up. Now fill the samosas. Okay, now put the paste here, maida paste, because otherwise there are chances of opening. Here, like this, and press this. You can put a paste here too. This can be folded, and this also can be folded. Here, this should be folded. So now, after a few minutes, you can fry this. The oil is hot. I'm frying the samosas. The suti samosas will be very tiny, in fact, not the fat samosas like you get the Punjabi samosas. This can be eaten in one bite. But trust me, this will be very tasty. You can certainly try making this. The folding may be tough initially. You can practice. You can take a paper cutting and try practicing the fold. This will be very crispy, very nice. This can be eaten with pudina chutney. This goes very well with pudina chutney. This is done. See how tiny this is. You should pack it in such a way that the oil doesn't seep in. Okay, I'll put off the flame now. Here the samosa is ready with tomato sauce. So thank you for watching my video. If you have any suggestions, please don't hesitate to tell me. You can watch the process of making samosas in my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. Thank you very much. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it. Thank you.